the present scenario of recruitments, walk-in interviews are playing vital role because impressions are formed quickly and decisions can be taken so early. That's the reason employees are preferring that walk-in interviews could be better. And here the employees, they have to get a good presentation and a good impression so that they can get the job very quickly, and there will not be any delay for the recruitments. And where do you get this walk-in interview? Where do you get this information? So mainly companies will be giving you this information through their websites, and social media is also helping you, and newspapers. So in any way you can get the information that walk-in interviews. Walk-in interviews are very easily you may get the job, you can grab the opportunity. And when you go to this walk-in interview, generally the walk-in interview will be three kinds of interview. Like first screening interview, just to scrutinize the employees, so that is screening interview. Then mini interview, a little bit depth they'll take. Then after the depth interview, they'll go a very depth that regarding the candidates knowledge and profound skills and all these things. They just want to go for in-depth interview. So these are the three kinds of walk-in interviews. And when you go for walk-in interview, what do you feel? Do you get the job? Are you sure that the job is going to get by you only? There are many people who have come to attend the interview, but do you feel that I am going to get job? If you feel, what is your specialty? Persons who have come for the interview, all are having the same kind of degree, all are having the same kind of skills, a little bit more or less it will be. Then why do you get the job? Why do you expect that job? For that you need to have a little bit more extra skill, that is profound knowledge in your skills, as well as your body language, your confidence. Everything should be a very good impression for the recruiter. Then only you will have the chance. The pathetic situation is the education, that is university education, is giving only to some extent only. The knowledge acquired by universities are less, but industry expectations are something different. Both are not matching. In that cases, you have to get to know that what kind of skills are needed, what industry is expecting. My university knowledge plus industry expectations. If you can combine both together, if you can compile together, and if you come to know the understanding between these two, then you can just improve yourself, prepare very well, have the skills and good preparation, and a good knowledge of your subject skills as well as life skills like soft skills, something like. Then you can go for the walk-in interviews. And for going for walk-in interviews, please remember only two things. The first thing is that preparation of your resume or CV. Prepare a very good CV. There should not be any kind of mistakes, and a very good CV or resume, and you should have a lot of copies. Whenever walk-in interview, you'll be attending a lot of interviews. Many companies are calling for the interviews, so you should have a lot of CVs or resumes, and along with that, always take a kit of this interviews kit. What is this kit means? Resumes, some white papers, and your certificate copies, Xerox copies, and originals, and one good pen, quality pen. And along with this kit, don't forget to take your confidence also. This is the first thing you have to remember. And second thing is that whenever you go for walk-in interview, please take care of your appearance. What kind of dressing you are wearing? Always wear formals, and you should be unique. You should be very good. And when the moment when recruiter looks at you, he should get an impression that this candidate, whether she or he, must be in my organization. This is the impression you have to give it to the recruiters. In this fashion you can prepare. And the very important thing is that whenever you are going for interview, please see that how you are preparing and what kind of skills are needed. According to that, your preparations are matching to them, then you will get the very good impression. And walk-in interviews, through the walk-in interviews, whoever is attending, very carefully please observe, you must be energetic. You must be energetic throughout the interview, and when you enter into the interview hall, when you are inquiring into the receptionist, and when you are entering into the interview hall, as well as you are doing and you are going home, throughout that location of the company, every place, you must be energetic, you must be enthusiastic, you must be dynamic. The way you talk, the way you walk, the way you look, the way you respond, and everything matters a lot. That is why this time will not come back. If you do it well, definitely you will get the job. If you don't get the job, what to do? If you don't get a job, there are two options. One thing is that being a positive. How positive? Means I have prepared very well, I have full knowledge, and I went with good preparation, I gave my presentation very well, but still company is not selecting, means company is in a bad luck. You are good. And the second, what I want to say, if company is selecting you, you are good as well as company is good. If you get a job, well and good. If you don't get a job, you get an experience, what you have done, learn something from that, and then do not disappoint. Do not disappoint, never disappoint yourself. Improve yourself, what you can do it. Then apply for some other company. Many companies you have to apply. And very, very important thing I want to tell you, my dear candidates, always have 4 to 5 offers of companies. Then you select the company. Don't give the chance to the company to select you. You have to select the company. For that, what is needed? You should have extra skills. You should have excellent, profound knowledge. Then you can select the company. What is needed is just improve yourself, go with the confidence, prepare well, practice well, do it well, believe yourself. That's it. You will get the success everywhere. Good luck, my dear friends. Take care.